Welcome, Bulldogs. We are going to look at how to log on to your Canvas account. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you sign into your Google account with your school address, your email address, and password. The next thing you're going to do is go over here to your Google Apps waffle. You're going to click on that Google Apps waffle, and you're going to scroll down in the waffle until you find this icon, the Canvas icon. You're going to click on the Canvas icon, and then your dashboard is going to open. This very much looks like other learning management systems that we've been in before. You'll see your different classes that are assigned to you in Infinite Campus, and you will be open to your dashboard. The next thing that you'll do is click on a class that you would like to open. Now, one important thing you need to make sure you're doing is that you are clicking on your courses, and you can tell based on this year. Make sure you're choosing your 2020-2021 school year courses. So make sure you're in 2021 school year. All right, and then you're able to open these classes inside of Canvas. Go ahead, try that with your own account, and then come back to the videos and be able to learn how to do more exciting things in Canvas.